Welcome to GearUpWindows YouTube video channel. In this video, you will learn to disable laptop internal keyboard on Windows 11 and 10. If your laptop keyboard is too small to type, the keyboard is broken, or due to some reason, you want to disable the laptop's built-in keyboard on Windows 11 or 10, this GearUpWindows article will guide you. Once you disable the laptop's internal keyboard, you can connect an external keyboard to type fast. How to turn off laptop internal keyboard. To disable the internal keyboard using Device Manager, first, open the Device Manager. To do that, right-click on the Start button and select Device Manager. When the Device Manager window appears on your computer, expand the keyboards. Then, right-click on the internal keyboard and choose the Disable option. Quick note, if you don't find a Disable option in the right-click menu, click Uninstall device to disable the keyboard temporarily. That means when you'll restart your laptop, Windows will again install the drivers, and your keyboard will start working. Good luck!